Okay, this is a quick video on how to basically replace your Dumars or Tredz Power Wheel battery. Basically, it'll come in a case like this here. This is the connector for the Dumar battery-powered toy. You basically got your fuses, which some people don't even realize they've got fuses here. This is where your fuse actually goes into the battery. Now what the fuse does on this battery is it basically protects it from catching fire or overheating. It basically, if you're running it really hard and you've got some heavier kids on it or something, and the battery starts getting to where it's overheating or something like that, it'll actually blow the fuse to cut the power to the battery to kind of take it for safety. So sometimes this fuse will go bad. So what I tell people, before you completely replace your battery, check the fuse first to make sure, because sometimes the battery could still possibly be good and it's just a blown fuse. So I'll actually make another video on how to change the fuse, but basically right here you've got a screw. You don't have to buy and replace this whole package, your wire harness and everything. The cheapest way is to go online to eBay or some battery store that's local. You need a 12-volt 12Ah battery to replace this. The wiring harness should be fine, and you can reuse that, and that's going to save you quite a bit of money to do that. But basically you've got a screw here. You take this screw out off the side, and then you should be able to pull this out. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Just hold on to that so you can have it when you put your new battery in. So you basically pull this up. You've got a black wire and a red wire on the Dumar wire harness, so it makes it real easy. You just want to pull the negative off the black wire off the negative, and this red wire off the positive. Then you just pull the old battery out. Set it off here to the side, and then like I said, all you need is a 12-volt 12Ah battery. You don't have to get this brand, it's just a brand I've got handy right now, but there's all sorts of brands in different places you can get the batteries. The main thing is you want a 12-volt 12Ah battery. They have different AH. The AH actually, if you have like a 12-volt 7Ah, your battery is going to be smaller. It's going to be lighter weight, but it's not going to run as long. So the higher the AH, the longer the battery will run. But to fit in this package here, you want to go with the 12Ah. So basically, you just simply put this back in where the old one was. Just make sure you put the negative onto the black and the positive on the red wire here. Close it all up here, and this basically slides right back in here. And then this just will slide right back in. Let's see. Yeah, just like that. And basically just put the screw back in, and you're ready to go. And like I said, if you do replace the battery and this doesn't work, you might want to check some switches, the switch on the shifter, or possibly the pedal switch. Sometimes those can go bad, which means the battery, your first battery, may still be good. So it's always good to test the battery before you replace it completely, because it could be a switch or something wrong on the power wheel, and it's not the battery that's causing your problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.